for meditation. This one, the meditation house. The meditation house. Keep silent here. The prayer, you have to come here first. So after that, after the war, it was destroyed by bombs. So suddenly they tried to review a lot of restoration just by cement, because that time we didn't know anything. And now for easy researching, the separate becomes small quickly. And actually they collect a lot of broken objects outside, and set up becomes small museum. Now we have this one. It's the most beautiful Shiva sculpture in Pisa, and that's from the 13th century. This one, they want to talk to you about special performance belong to Shiva. The performance for his creating new world. Remember, Shiva, he never stopped. He just danced. He danced. This world coming. He stopped then. This world comes to you see. So this performance, we says Tandava. Remember the name Tandava. When he danced, new world moving. New world coming. And this one I show for you about the religion as well. Three parts: the hell, this life, and the heaven. If you believe in Shiva, you will walk from here. I will walk from here. And now you're moving when he dances. You're only one to dance. Actually, he just has two hands. The Vishnu, he has four hands. So you are moving here.